That looks fixable.
This is him starting his car.
Shut up.
Dylan,
What?
that looks fixable.
How?
Darlene, he busted a whole ball bearing.
It's not fixable.
Don't you have any more parts for this?
No, I do not.
Really?
Not the ball bearing, but
Oh, you guys. You guys.
hey, it wasn't my fault for once.
Nobody broke it.
We just decided to give up.
Hey! Get over here. You get in this yard. Alright, that's suck.
Ready?
Let's go. Get it fixed on it?
No. Because you don't have the part for it.
Well, why don't you figure out what we need? Because I got to run to town and we can stop over there later.
Yes.
What no, just take off the, or just grab the whole thing.
That's what I do.
Like the ball bearing stuff.
What?
I can have you anything that's
He said hi, Dylan. Okay, let me get close up to your car. I can't really see.
Guess what? Hey, that's what we do to get back to the chase house.
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna really suck, but whatever.
Here we go. We got the huge jump.
Now who wants to see me fail?
This is what he's gonna do. Over here, he's gonna jump from there all the way to right over here.
Somewhere around
Somewhere,
here.
or right here somewhere. So here we go, ready? I think you over jumped it.
I'm way over.
He way over jumped it.
Now he's gonna crazy jump after us. Whoa. That one sucked.
Yeah. Hey, dude, I'm a pretty good cameraman.
Dylan, underbody shot.
Come here.
Face up. I'll try to get it as close as I can.
Hang on, no, hang on. Just go do this. That's not gonna be that hard.
No, put it closer.
That's
I
good.
don't want to land on it.
If you're not gonna.
I probably will.
No, you won't, dude. Just go full speed. Oh, you guys didn't see that.
Yeah, that one sucked.
But he owned. Ready? We're gonna do it again. You're gonna see something.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Ready? You might see dirt fly, but who cares? Hopefully you saw
So
that.
this is what we have on this car. We got the Mud Pro slash tires, front bumper, and body clip retainer from Dubrook.
Yep. And on my car, I don't have the body clip thingy,
Yeah.
but I have the front bumper, and I don't have the tires either.
Yeah.
But I have the wheelie bar though. Nice. Bosco, are you okay?
Please tell me you got that on camera.
I got that.
Oh, that's
We have to watch this, okay?
Yeah, we're going to.
Here,
Just don't make it a real long one.
I'm just gonna go like this, okay? Anyway, don't hurt me. Justin, let me get an aerial view. You better jump good. Ready? awesome.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Here we go.
That sucked.
You failed.
Holy crap. It's muddy.
Yeah. His dad, built this jump.
Well, we just bought a ramp and we put a crappy jump together.
It's not crappy.
Crappy because it's only made out of 2 things.
That's good though.
The whole thing cost about $50. $5 pail, $45 ramp, and we're good. But if you want a car, you better save up for about $500.
Well, our cars, our Rustler VXLs, cost $330, but we got accessories with it, so that'd probably be at least $400, maybe $500. There's my dog.
The Bosconator.
Yeah. You call him Bosco Pico train for no reason.
I call him Boss.
Oh!
Your back flip, I couldn't tell what was that.
That was a front flip.
My battery's getting low.
Put on a show. One last good jump. Oh!
Now we're after about it, space. I got a passenger.
Yeah, he's got a passenger, that little weed on the back. Keep it, dude. Keep the weed.
Holy crap.
Keep the weed on it.
Dirty. And my engine is hot.
Okay. What he did is he jumped it and he slid right in the grass. It didn't even make a sound. Well, it kind of made a sound, but not like that.
Aw.
Crashed.
I broke it.
No, you didn't.
I'm a liar.
Hey.
Well, my jumps are getting pretty bad because my battery's getting low and I'm getting covered in bugs.
Yeah. Just so you know, it's like, I don't know.
About 50 or 60 degrees out. Bugs are all over the
The blue
place.
sky.
We got the sun.
We got the sun right here.
I'm taking a jump.
He's taking the jump. There's the sun. Take a good look at it.
Take a good hard look because I'm sailing on a boat.
Hey, we're gonna get a good view right here. Are you going full speed?
Nope. On full speed?
Oh yeah. That's full speed.
No.
Dude, jump it. Oh my god, I gotta get a good view. Go, go, go. Oh!
And here's Bosco.
Right when you land and when they jump, I'm just gonna stop you, alright?
Okay. No, stop it when I'm in midair.
Yeah. Good idea. Ready?
I'm not gonna go real fast.